It's equally attractive in spring and autumn because of the pleasant weather in both seasons. But especially in winter and summer, we not only experience a severe cold, but also face the scorching heat. It reminds us it's an unbelievable opportunity to challenge ourselves. As the saying goes, adversity makes you best. The same is true of life. Life is a long journey, being full of ups and downs. If you experience it with your heart, every day is interesting. Even face the difficulty and you will embrace it. Because you know clearly, it's time to grow up and to challenge yourself. The true meaning of life is to challenge and improve yourself. So, if you love life, life will look you back. So, the rest of your life is precious. Don't waste it. Don't choose the ease at the end of hardship. Go for it. Everyone deserves getting the best of yourself.